I'll see. Yes, it's pretty cool to watch it flowing through the... Alright, so the first thing we're going to have to do is add sulfites and check the refractive index and the specific gravity. I think we'll start with the specific gravity. For that we're going to need the wine thief and the hydrometer. Probably sufficient, but I'll take a little extra. Okay, so there's our sample for an initial analysis. I'll put the thief back in the sanitizer. So first I'll use our hydrometer to measure the specific gravity. This is a pretty standard cheapo hydrometer. It's got a few different scales on it, specific gravity, and most particularly for our purposes, brix, degrees brix. And it goes. So I'm reading a specific gravity of approximately 1.12 or 40, 1.140. Very good. We'll sanitize that again, 1.140. We use this same sample to measure the refractive index. Using this kind of refractometer, double prism refractometer. I'll turn it around so you can see. We have two prisms. The top prism here is the reflecting prism, the illuminating prism rather, and it's got a frosted front surface. So I'll just take 100 microliters or so, place it on the refractometer, close the prism. Oh, gotta turn it on. You see the illumination. Now, I'll go in and find my setting. I'm using a double prism refractometer. Remember from lecture that because the illuminating prism has a ground glass irregular surface, light will emerge into the sample at many angles. All the shorter angles make it through the refracting prism and are visible to the viewer. One of those angles represents the longest possible path, beyond which no light emerges from the refracting prism. This means in the double prism refractometer there's a light and dark band, and the boundary determines the refractive index of the sample, so that the largest incident angle at the light-dark boundary is related to the sample's angle of refraction. The refractive index is the ratio of the sine of the incident angle over the sine of the refraction angle. Right now this instrument is set to read refractive index. So we have a refractive index of 1.3694. Together with our hydrometer reading, we'll file those pieces of information away. But while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and set this to read solids. And we get a reading of 23.6 brix. Excellent. So 23.6% sucrose. Really good. Nice sugar concentration there.